How to copy logo from Google to Word. Hi everyone, this is Kit and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will learn how we can copy a logo from Google and then move it to Word. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up Google, and in the search bar you have to search for any kind of logo that you want to add into Word. So for example, I want to add a logo of a coffee. Then I will search for a logo of coffee shop. Now from the search results, head over to images, and here you can select any one of the logo that you like. For example, I have this logo right here. Then you have to right click on this and then you have to copy this image. So click on copy image. Once you have copied this logo, now what you have to do is open Word in your device. So open Word. You can select any of the document where you want to add a logo on, but for now I will just continue with the blank document. Now to add that logo in this Word, all you have to do is right click and then click on paste. There you see now the logo has been pasted in your Word. If you want to resize this, then you have to click on this image or logo, and then using this you have to resize this logo. So that's how you can copy logo from Google and add it to Word. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.